Hey guys, okay, I'm so excited to film this video. So I shared in a video a few weeks back, one of my favorite YouTube finds for the month was Claire from the Ginger Ninja, and I actually have been messaging with her and we decided to do a collaboration. If you have visited Claire's channel, you know that Claire does lots of journal reviews and journal flips, and she tries out a bunch of different journals, and I just love seeing all of her videos. So we decided to do a journal swap of choosing one journal to send to each other to use and potentially review on our channels, and some other goodies that we love. So I have Claire's package here and I'm gonna open it up. It actually came in the mail yesterday, and it was very difficult to wait, but I'm not gonna wait anymore. It was raining yesterday and I was so irritated at the postman because he just left it on the stairs in the rain. Thankfully, we saw it right away and grabbed it. But let's dive in. I'm so excited. Okay, let me very carefully cut open the box. I did bring a knife. Actually, my son left it for me before he went to work. Normally, I end up forgetting to bring a knife. Oh my goodness, everything looks so cute inside. Okay. She also sent a couple books that, look how cute. Everything is like wrapped. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I love doing collaborations. If anyone is interested in collaborating on something with me, with anyone, I highly recommend messaging. Send someone a love note saying, hey, I love everything you're about. Would you be willing to collaborate? It's so fun. So there are some books in here that she threw in because I had mentioned I was interested in reading them. I'm gonna take the gifts out. Oh my goodness. Everything is so cute. Everything is so cute. Okay. So she sent me, she's super sweet. I went down the rabbit hole of like binge watching all of her videos. And so I touched base. Oh my goodness. She's so cute. I touched base with her on, she was on a journey, Trim Healthy Mama journey, and she was so sweet. She's like, I've been wanting to send my books to someone who could use them. And so she sent me her Trim Healthy Mama books. And I love so much that they are marked up. That just makes me love them even more. Okay, let me pull these things out. Oh my goodness. So cute, so cute. Okay, so cute. All right, we have, I'll just start here. Little typed art quotes from my vintage Royal Quiet Deluxe typewriter. Oh my goodness, I love it. How creative. There's roomy quotes. Oh, perfect, I love it. Eek. I'm just like, so exciting. Okay, and then she sent little clippies because she knows these are like my favorite. Thank you, thank you, thank you, so exciting. Okay, I'm like beaming here. And I love the little signs she put on each package. I have a feeling this is the journal. Attract what you expect, reflect what you desire, become what you respect, mirror what you admire. Okay, I'm gonna save each of these little things. So we're gonna put that to the side. Okay. Yes, I'm starting with the journal because, oh my goodness. Is this really what I think it is? It is a cafe notes. Okay, this is on my list of things I wanted to try. I've never used a cafe notes journal before, and I saw her video. Okay, I'm gonna put all the garbage in here. I saw her video and how much she went on and on about the amazingness of the cafe notes. I also know that Tina from Overall Adventures did a review on the cafe notes, and I've wanted to try them, and so this just like makes me so happy. Claire, thank you so much. I'm so excited. And I love this size too. I think this is the B6 Slim. I love it. Okay, where am I gonna begin? All right, I'm gonna save this one. I have a feeling that this one, it's in the form of a pen box. So, embrace all that is you. We're gonna take that off. Save the washi. All right, what could this be? It's an Oracle deck, and she knows I'm not buying any Oracle or Tarot decks for 2022. I love it. The New Orleans Oracle deck. Okay, so my husband and I have been to New Orleans, but it was just passing through. And actually it's one of the places that we want to return back to, just me and him. We had our kids with us when we came through, but we want to do like just a me and him trip. I'm so excited. It's a sign. I need to tell my husband. We've been debating where to go, because it's like right about now is time that we start planning another trip, just the two of us. So I'm like, okay. I was thinking about New Orleans this morning, so I'm like, all right, we're gonna have to plan that trip. I actually want to open this up and see. You know what? I'm gonna need to carefully open it so I don't end up tearing the box. Oh, I love the artwork already that's on the back. All right, there we go. Oh my goodness. Look how colorful. Wow. Wow, you guys. Wow. Okay. And it's a colored book. Okay. This is definitely, I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this in February because it fits with my February. I have a focus of the wild feminine. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. Look at that. So gorgeous. All right, we're gonna take this off. Take this off. Okay, let's see. It is a pen. It's a fountain pen. Oh my goodness, I know what it is. It's the Moon Man, which I think is called Mahjong now. It's a Moon Man fountain pen. Look how cute. Look how cute that is. And it's a drop filler, which I don't own. I've never used a drop filler, so I'm very excited to test this out. Okay, let me see. He is so cute. Does it screw on? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Claire. This was on my wish list too. I actually wrote it down in the back of my journal. I keep a wish list like in the back of my journal. I feel like it's kind of like this prayer, or you know, you're asking the universe to manifest it. And look at that. It's so tiny and like perfect. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna go play with all my things and I will chat with you guys later. Until next time, enjoy your wild, sexy lives.